Hello, thank you for watching Only Dreamscape. Let's explore the pivot table. So this is the spreadsheet we will work on to show the use of pivot table. We'll sort this data date wise and region wise to show which representative had sell how much items at what cost. You'll find it really easy if you practice more and more, so you don't have to panic on it. For this, find the Insert tab and select the pivot table lies at the leftmost part of this tab. Fill up this information here, and this is your pivot table where your sorted data will be shown. These fields are the column name on the main sheet that you are working on. Now you need to drag down the fields into the required area. We want to filter data as per date. So we're putting the order date in the filter option. As you can see, which representative has sell which item at what value on what date. But as you can see, the range of date is wide, so it's getting really difficult to sort the data in a group. So for this reason, we'll sort data as per region to make it simpler. So what you have to do is delete the order date from the filter option and put the region in there. So your data is sorted as per region. See, it's much simpler. Now you can see very easily that at which region who had sell how much unit of the item at what cost. Sounds creepy, but it's not. It's very effective for your work, so practice more and more. You will find it really easier. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet.